Hi, what's up, the buddy game? Where I promised to play car crashes, so I did. So okay, let's go. A new update of a new car, so let's try that out. This is my best car, of course, as I showed in the post. So let's go. Okay, ready, the buddy game, to get some crushing. Okay, let's go. Whoa, I'm not going on that. Yes, I'll go reverse. Let's go. If you want to comment, you can comment what should I say next. Car Kaspersky is my best accurate career. It's too late. Oh my car is stuck. But don't worry guys, we can enter control the room. And turn on. Where is the burning stain? Activate command. Okay. Okay, the car got burned slowly. Yep. Completely into wrecking. Okay, new vehicle done. Now let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So I already played this game a lot. Okay, that's too easy, dude. Let's go spawn our car. That guy has PvP, so let's do some stuff. You know what I'm gonna do. Equip the car. It's really ugly, I know. And now turn him. And now target him. Come here, I'm gonna crush you. I'm gonna kill you. Come here. Urka. Okay, now that's too much. Okay, but looks like we are really easy to kill car. Okay, I wrecked his tire. I think so. For my game is heading. Okay, so his car is wrecked. Kind of. He went through me. Yep. I wish I had so many plans, so I couldn't meet them in the insult. Oh, okay. Don't shoot the missile. Don't shoot the missile. Don't shoot the missile. Don't shoot the. I am cocked. Yep. The triple spinner. What the? What the? What does triple spinner mean? Ryan, you unlock a new level. So let's go, boys. The body up. Moment. Where is that second row? Okay, now that's a tank. Oops. Ah, yes. Hey, yo, chill. This is the second row, right? Or the fourth one? I went the wrong way, I think. Okay, I was lucky enough thinking. Which one is the new row time block? Oh, I see. Spawn the car and let's go, boy. Turn around. Oops. Wrong way. Let's go. Okay. Oh, the head. Get out, dude, or you are gonna turn into garbage. I told you to not come in. You know you are garbage. Wow, bro is stupid. Okay, don't you even dare shoot. Okay, bro got him wrecked. Just run full speed. This is my first speed. Okay. Who boosted me? Oh, thanks for the boost, but that was a little low boost. And I am grateful that you gave me a boost, but what happened here? Why does my light look like that? Backlight. Okay, what's wrong with these players? Trying to invade me. Okay, did you like that, dude? Did you like that? Haha. Now we're crying. Why did I lose this thing? I just unlocked it, seriously, dude. Give me this crusher. I want it. Activate crusher. Okay, dude. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Kill the car. I told you to not kill me. Control. Okay, my car is cooked. And yeah, that was easy. Look, I already reached 37,000. How does the second car, the third car? I mean, which car would it be? I don't really want this car. Guys, I'm sure I'm not gonna use this. Okay. Let's exit. That looks really ugly. And it's gonna give me $10 per second. I think so. And my money generator stopped, so let's go. And not go to the dealership. Am I stupid? The body king. Or maybe I will call you Tabadi Army or Tabadi Squad. Your decision, guys. What you want me to call you guys? Okay. Phew, I was lucky. Enough run now. Help me. Help. Help me. Oh. Get in the crusher. He can't afford this crusher, pretty sure. Let's go. This time I'm not getting in here. Activate crusher. And bye. Okay. Oh. I can't go there. Somebody help me. No, I locked the new vehicle. Guys, wait, somebody's at the door. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's go. This property made 2 minutes longer. I'll cut it. Don't worry. With my Editorini boy. Editorini or Kalini. I properly called him again. So, when I 38, guys, I'm not gonna use it. Guys, I'm not using it. Okay. It's a really bad car. Okay. I'm not using it. Let's go. I tricked you guys. Yay. First time in my life I tricked somebody. Yeah, full speed. Let's go. Yay. Finally in my life I tricked somebody. I think I didn't trick you guys. Yep. I want to go first person. Boy. Now let's go and crush that idiot. No. Bro, thanks for the car. Oops, I can't enter it. No, my tractor turned into stinky goo. 41 million, he said. I mean 41,000. Am I really stupid? That's a little bit too much. 3,000 more. No, I'm not doing that. Okay, that G-Wagon is stopped. I'm gonna go on a family friendly road trip. So let's go. Wee. I am really slow, I want to say. Ready? Oh no, he's back. No. Yep, I survived. But my tractor survived too. Let's go. My tractor is surviving. No! My tractor. Stupid Uni or Kalini. My tractor has been turned to stinky goo. And now I am taking Evans. Come here. I'm taking Evans by full speed. Let's go. No. I survived that. Let's go. Run full speed. But did he teleport? Run. Oh, my car is cooked. Yep, he cooked my car like you. This time I'm gonna take revenge. Come here. I'm gonna take revenge with my full speed car. Let's go. Where is he? I'm gonna kill that stinky goo. Come here. Where is that stinky goo? Oh, where is he actually? Where is that stinky goo? I'm gonna kill him. But why is there a tractor? Isn't a tractor a 3-wheeler? They just had a 4 wheels. New technology. I properly work all of you guys. Tabadi Squad. Or maybe Tabadi Army. I don't know. Who is that? Go. Back. No. Don't kill me. Somebody help me from this monster. Ouch. Dude, just leave me alone. I run here, I suppose. I wish there were guns in this game so I can murder. Just destroy it already. Okay, I got my new 2010 1990 1910 vehicle unlocked. This is literally from the 90s. Bruh. What is this, a new vehicle?